Hi, I'm DUI Attorney Nick Alcock. In this section we're going to talk about Arizona's misdemeanor DUI statute. In Arizona, misdemeanor DUI is defined as someone in actual physical control of a vehicle, driving a vehicle or sitting in a vehicle, key in the ignition, able to drive the vehicle easily. And if that person has a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or greater within 2 hours of driving, or if they are impaired to the slightest degree by that alcohol, then they can be found guilty of misdemeanor DUI. Most people think that DUI offenses are felony offenses, or they don't really understand the difference between a misdemeanor and a felony. A felony is a case that can put you in prison. A felony is a case that can take your constitutional rights to bear arms, your voting rights away from you. A misdemeanor is something which is lesser. The maximum penalty for a misdemeanor is really only 6 months in jail. For a first offense DUI, say that you're just slightly over the legal limit, you're really looking at 1 day in jail with 9 days suspended if you complete all of the drug ordered classes and you pay all your fines. So there's a huge difference between a felony DUI and a misdemeanor DUI in Arizona. Some things that you need to know about misdemeanor DUI are that if you get more than 1 day, the work release is usually available. So if you get a sentence of 10 days, you get a sentence of 30 days. Normally you're given an opportunity to be released for at least 12 hours a day, 5 days a week. The other thing about it is for a misdemeanor DUI, you can usually pick when you go into custody. So if you're found guilty right there in the courthouse, they're not typically going to take you into custody and right then and there. They're going to allow you to set up a time for you to self-surrender down at the jails. So for misdemeanor DUI, the other thing you need to be aware of is that there are motor vehicle license suspension issues. If you are convicted of DUI, there are some things through the motor vehicle department you have to be aware of. You have jail time, you've got classes, you've got fines, but with misdemeanor DUIs you also have potentially long driver's license suspensions and also the imposition of the interlock device. And so a DUI attorney can really help you walk you through the system, make you understand exactly what it is you're looking at, what the fines and fees are. If you click down to the lower sections in this page, you'll see that I'm discussing some of the fines and also some of the jail time that are involved with DUIs and the difference between misdemeanor DUIs and felony DUIs. If you have any questions whatsoever, give us a call, 602-989-5000, 602-989-5000. My name is Nick Alcock, and thanks so much.